So today I am joined by Dr. Lorenil Hencock. We're in her office, WellSpot Chiropractic, right here in the Mountain Park area of Lilburn. Dr. Hencock, thank you so much for sitting down with us. We're featuring Dr. Hencock as this month's LBA Business Spotlight. So let's learn a little bit about you. First of all, just tell us who you are, your family, and kind of how you got to Lilburn.
Okay, and thank you so much for having me and having this exposure to my clinic and people get to know what I do. So I'm Dr. Lorenil Hencock. I born in the island of Dominican Republic, and I grew up in the island of Puerto Rico. I came to the United States to study chiropractic. Yeah,
Okay.
basically after being injured around my 22 years old, I got injured in my back, and I had to suffer a lot of pain and discomfort, and just my quality of life was decreasing very much. The funny thing is that I was in the field of, not medical field directly, but science field in college, and I realized, I was like, oh my God. I told my chiropractor, I asked my chiropractor, whatever you do to me, I want to do this. Like, what you have here, like what I have been experienced on every visit, not only myself, but also seeing progress on the whole group of patients. I asked him, where do you study chiropractic? I want to change career. I want to do this the rest of my life. And here I am. Came to Life University in Marietta and started studying chiropractic.
Wow.
Yeah.
So this is very personal for you. I mean, this is a career that's very
Yes.
kind of close to your heart.
It is close to my heart, and I feel what my patients feel, like, and I have felt before. But the good thing, I can experience and I can show example that you don't have to be in pain.
Yeah.
You don't have to always suffer in pain because you have diagnosis. You don't have to necessarily go to surgery because you have certain diagnosis. I can help you.
Yeah.
Because I've been helped.
Why Lilburn? When it came time to actually open your own business, what made you choose Lilburn?
Well, I chose Lilburn because we were already living in here. I've been living in Lilburn for over 5 years now. And my family and I decided to move here after visiting the city many times. And it just gives you the feeling of a family environment. You can see this place, a good place to grow your family. So we decided to set roots here.
So you've been in Lilburn for a while, but WellSpot is new. So what was kind of the process to starting your own business?
All right. Well, since we love this town so much, we live here. We've been living here for about 5 years now. So I decided that I want to set root and open my office in the city that I live at. Like, for me, it wasn't point to open my business outside because I want to serve my community. I want to serve the people that are around me. I want to be their chiropractor.
You've had to kind of take on a new personality a little bit because now it's not just chiropractor, but you're a small business owner. You are also that. So what's it been like to not just be a chiropractor, but also have to manage a business as part of it?
Well, that's a lot of learning experience, new learning experience as a business owner. And good thing, I have found good resources and people that likes to help, which is basically my motto, like help and love to help. So there are other resources and other people, other professionals that love to help, and I've been lucky to be around that in their field, they can help me. Okay, this is where you should go. Like, for example, the Lilburn Business Association. They have many resources, many professionals. Like, hey, I have this is my profession. This is what I do. Either CPAs or either bankers. Like, there is so many channels that you can go with reference and good reference. So. Yeah, I've been lucky that have so many people that wants to help as well.
When I think of a chiropractor, and when I've been to a chiropractor in the past, it's just kind of you go in, get your adjustment, and that's pretty much it. But you mentioned to me before we started that there's a lot more to it here at WellSpot. So walk me through, what kind of care does a patient receive here?
So basically, I am chiropractor. We perform chiropractic adjustments. Here in the office, I also offer treatment for the musculoskeletal system, right? I understand the whole body is one, and I will treat each system as they need or based on what the patient needs. I offer electrical stimulation. Those are for the muscles mainly, and also to relieve tension that cause the nerve pain. I also have ultrasound treatment, and I have cupping therapy, and I also offer intersegmental traction bed, which is give you some relief throughout the whole spine.
Okay. So it does a lot more than just adjustments.
It's just a lot more than adjustment.
Yeah. So Dr. Hencock, you mentioned that the LBA has been helpful for you as you kind of start your business from the ground up. How's it been helpful to be part of the LBA? What's that done for you as you start your business?
Well, the Lilburn Business Association has been very helpful. In the short time that I've been open and I started my business, I have created valuable relationship with people that care about the community, that care about the people that I am caring, you know, and the resources that they have, the relationship they have, the meetings they have, you know, to get to know more and more people, and it just has been so helpful, so much exposure over there.
So, Dr. Hencock, one of the things that is a big part of the LBA is sending business to one another. When we hear of someone that could use your services, we want to make sure we say, hey, I know Dr. Hencock, go see her. Who's an ideal person to come to your clinic?
So I love this question because an ideal person to see me is anyone who has a spine, right?
That's a lot of people.
It's a lot of people. Any human that has a spine. I am trained on human, but it is also some chiropractors that are trained to see animals.
Yeah. But for your office, we'll leave it to people. Yeah.
Yeah. Basically, I see wellness chiropractic treatments. Wellness patients, that means patients that are not suffering in pain necessarily, but I can see them. I can see them to see if they have any spinal misalignments, right? Not necessarily you have to be suffering in pain. I see pediatric, I see prenatal, which is pregnant women, and it's very helpful for them. I see sport injuries, and I also can see elderly, and anybody that has been in a car accident. I'll be able to help them with those acute injuries that are bothering them from the car accident.
So yeah, anybody with a spine that you know.
Yes.
We got Dr. Hencock for you. She's ready. Well, Dr. Hencock, thank you so much for sitting down with us. Thank you for being our featured business of the month. We hope that you'll join us at our next LBA meeting. And again, a great chance to meet Dr. Hencock.
Thank you so much.